Hey everyone, Aaron, aka LuckSide here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Just wanted to take a bit of time to talk to you about something that is very important when it comes to not just crypto, but all investing, called dollar cost averaging. I must say, when you first get into crypto, it's very exciting. You're wondering, where am I going to put all my money? Do I diversify? Do I just stick it into one place and just let it ride? See what happens. But I do want to let you know you can use dollar cost averaging as a tool to create multiple entry points for you to keep your money safer. I want to take you through a scenario that will explain this a little bit better for you. Now, what most new investors may be familiar with is something called lump sum investing. What that is when you take all the available capital you have and you invest it at one time rather than spreading it out over time. In the scenario I have listed behind me, you can see that the investor has $2,000 available of capital. They find coin A at a price of $1 per coin and they end up with 2,000 coins. Now let's say that coin A drops in value to 50 cents per coin. They still have those 2,000 coins that they had originally acquired, but the value of their portfolio is now $1,000. Now let's take a look at how dollar cost averaging could have saved them some money in this instance. Now with dollar cost averaging, let's say they have the same $2,000 available for purchase. Instead of spending it all at once, they spend half at $1 per coin and end up with 1,000 coins. Now let's say that it follows that same scenario as the lump sum investing and it drops to 50 cents per coin. Now they're able to spend the second $1,000 that they have, acquire 2,000 coins, and the outcome ends up of them having 3,000 total coins with an average buy price of 67 cents per coin. Now, there are several ways that you could use dollar cost averaging to your benefit, one of which is having scheduled purchases over time each week with additional earnings that you may have. Now, I do have to mention there are some risks involved with dollar cost averaging. If the price does continue to go up, you do run the chance of increasing your buy price over time. Now, lump sum investing has shown to have higher volatility and potential for gains, which does mean higher risk. But dollar cost averaging has shown to be safer over time, especially for someone who may not be that experienced yet. Now, this is not financial advice. Realistically, it's your money. You can do whatever you want with it. But hopefully you got some good information from this video. Be sure to drop a like. There's plenty of great content coming. So, we'll see you soon.